today is July 2nd. It has been well over a week since I've picked up the camera and vlogged. I still haven't gotten that one up, but I decided that I was gonna start vlogging again and just work on that one because it is an hour and a half long and I have to edit it down to like 15-20 minutes max. So today I did something that I'm extremely excited about. I finally quit my job. Guys, I can't even tell you how happy I am about that. Like, you guys have heard me complain about my job before in the past, and I finally just quit. Hey guys, it is July 4th, and we are here at RC Willey buying a chair. Well, we already bought it, we're just here to pick it up. I'm super excited. Jake started getting me into video games a lot more recently, which, alright, fine, I guess. So we play him all the time, and he wanted me to have a separate chair so that he can record without having to hear me in the background with the echoes and stuff like that. So we got our chair back here. Super excited. We are gonna go home and set it up. Hopefully it's not too heavy to get out. Jake was saying the people looked like they didn't have a hard time getting it in at all, so hopefully it's not hard. Oh my gosh. That hearse is for sale. And here it is. We have it all set up and nice. We've been playing in it a little bit. Well, I mean, we've been sitting in it playing video games is what I mean. So, yeah. And now we are heading to go to In-N-Out Burger because we're hungry. I also have a job interview at In-N-Out Burger today. So that's exciting. Can't decide if I'm actually gonna do anything with myself because I don't have mascara at all. So I might just like throw some eyeshadow on or something, I don't know, we'll see. But little buddy here has been super active the past few days. Been loving it. We got him a new light finally. His light was out for like 3 days. And now he's just chilling. His favorite place is right there. He gets up there whenever he's ready to go to bed. So I know that's time for him to turn his light off. And then after I turn his light back on in the mornings, he gets down and plays around. All right, so now I'm on my way to my job interview. Wish me luck, you guys. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. It's actually like 2 p.m. We're just actually getting up. We've been up, we've just been like lazy and stuff, so we're actually getting up now. And we are, I'm cutting my head off. We are gonna go get some lunch at Mi Ranchito, having a little date night, or afternoon, or whatever it is. Because Jake had today off. Surprisingly, he had 2 days in a row off, so that's very nice. So, that's what we're doing. So, we did a thing. Come here. Cut his hair.
No, we cut multiple hairs.
So short.
Not just one hair.
It's all over your face, but it looks so good.
Been up for like an hour and a half straight. Ariel popped, and then all of a sudden it started really amping up. It Pop, 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 pop.
Oh gosh.
It is crazy. We're like, what are we doing? We could be still here in the middle with all these things. Why are they?
What else? Did you buy these yesterday?
We bought them today.
Oh, great.
We saved the bigger ones. So, and my brother does these. My brother's not.
All it
Ooh, that one's cool, the blue one.
That's really cool.
Oh, that orange one's awesome.
We like last month. It's gonna be a pain.
It's gonna be big. Oh yeah.
What in the world? I feel like we didn't do it right. I think we do it all the time. That's not how it
Wait for it.
That's just it, there's no one.
Wait for it. There it is, America.